everyone, this is Fran. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a red velvet copycat crumble cookie.
Okay, the first thing we are going to do today is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. If you are new here, I'm always forgetting to preheat my oven. The next thing I did was I got me a big cookie sheet and I went ahead and put some parchment paper on it. We're going to be all ready today to get these cookies in the oven. And the reason I'm making another Crumbl cookie is because my father-in-law has been very sick and he requested this. And I had a couple viewers request this also. But I'm making these Crumbl cookies today for my father-in-law. And here we go again, but these are red velvet. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1 stick of butter. Just put it right in our bowl. 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. We need 1 egg, and it has to be at room temperature. Okay, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 to 2 teaspoons of red food color, and I'm going to try to do this without getting it all over me. I'm going to need a little knife. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar. Yes, 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now we're just going to start stirring this all up because our butter was really soft. So we should just go ahead and be able to just stir this right up. Pretty red color. You can make these for your sweetheart, your grandbabies, your mama, your daddy, your neighbor. Or maybe people that don't like you. We're going to buy their love with our our red velvet Crumbl copycat cookie. So now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. We need 1/4 cup of cornstarch. We need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. That was baking soda. We need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And I know I'm going to have to get out my hand mixer. Let me make sure I get it off of my spoon or my dough whisk. You know what, guys? I didn't put in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sorry. This is a crumbly dough, but it all goes together really good. Look at that. Now I forgot the chocolate chips. What's wrong with me? I'm going to whisk it around. So I just picked it up with my hands and I kind of incorporated all these chocolate chips, or these white, is it white chocolate? Yeah, white chips, white baking chips right in here. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to let this sit right here just for a minute while I find my ice cream scoop. So we all know that the Crumbl cookie is big. I'm going to weigh out these cookies because I'm going to get better as I bake them. And I want to know the weight that I need when I bake these cookies. Five ounces each. I want all my cookies to look and be the same today. So you guys are making me a better baker in my kitchen, or a better cook, because I want to give you my best. And I want to learn it. If I learn it, then I'm giving you the best that I've got. I don't want you to waste your time watching me and the recipes don't turn out. I want them to be good. And for all you have tried the recipes and have contacted me and tell me how good they are, thank you so much. I truly appreciate that. We're just going to kind of mash it out a little bit. All right. So I'm going to put 3 on each cookie sheet. I think I'm going to take a few more chocolate chips and just kind of put on top of them. Not chocolate chips, white chips. Just kind of stick them on there. Anyway, we're going to put these in a 350-degree oven. I love the way this cookie dough really works out. Let me spray a little bit. I'm going to spray this parchment paper down a little bit so it won't be everywhere. Alright, so I sprayed my parchment paper down. I'm going to put these cookies right there on it. And I bet you this last one is 5 ounces. So I was right. I figured I was right. So it's 5 ounces each cookie. We're going to put a few more white chocolate chips on here. Our red velvet cookies have been in there for 15 minutes. Okay, we went ahead and put the other ones in.
They look really good. Oh my goodness. They look really good. This is our red velvet Crumbl cookie. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now, the big part, let's try it. Delicious. Oh my gosh. Guys, they are so good.
Guys, it almost tastes like a brownie cookie. It's beautiful. I really think we hit the mark with this recipe. Oh my gosh. I love, love, love this.
You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Not baking. Did I say baking powder or did I say baking soda?